were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
Okay, so demolded this one. I don't think you needed to see it being demolded. The lizard blanks are great moulds anyway, and just a couple of rubber mallet hammers on the back of it, and it basically dropped out. So the next thing to do is to go and get this cut up and into a pen blank size, ready to get onto a pen. Hi and welcome back. So that's the blanks all cut. I just did them on a bandsaw. It came out pretty nicely. That bit hasn't been sprayed. I'm pretty pleased with those, the way they came out. That resin is lovely. I mean, I don't know what it's like to cut yet until we get on the lathe and start turning a pen. So, talking about pens, Taylor Murfield's, or Taylor's Murfield, has just introduced a new brand, the TM Keltoy, I think you pronounce it. I'll let you decide on that one. Celtic knot going around the band there. So I haven't turned one of these yet, so I'm going to turn one of those, and I'm also going to do an Aries, and that's just in a copper. This is the brushed metal. So I shall do one of those, and I'm going to do one of these, because I'll get both of those out of one blank. These will then be put up on my Etsy store. If you want to buy them, they'll be there, and also there should be some blanks up there as well. If you're wanting to buy, the rest of the blanks will go all up for sale on there, so they will be there ready for you if you do want to buy them. I'm going to just do a bit of a time lapse. It'll be close up on the pens doing those and the finishing of them, and we'll come back at the end. Okay, cut the blanks up, and I have got them ready for barrel trimming now. So I've got the two pens here, so we'll just get cracking and we'll see what it turns like. It's certainly drilled out perfectly, and just as it would with any of my other epoxy resins, and it cut absolutely fine, no chip outs or anything like that. The blanks are lovely and hard, but they're soft enough when drilling them and that. So I'm going to barrel trim them, and then we'll get one on at a time, and we shall get cracking and get these pens made up. It'll be all in time lapse. It will be quite a quick video, So anyway, I hope you enjoy.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.